everyone, it's Sandy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make iceberg slime, and this is inspired by Slime Strawberries on Instagram, and she has not posted a tutorial on this, but I really wanted to recreate it because I thought this was the coolest thing I've ever seen. So this is my take on it, and I started off with white glue as you saw before, but the main ingredient here is a lot of shaving foam. I used almost a whole can of it. Next, I'm adding some lotion to give it that stretchier texture. And now I'm adding some baby powder to give it that matte finish. Both of these ingredients are totally optional. I'm just changing up the texture. You don't have to add those ingredients if you don't want to. And by the way, I just wanted to let you guys know that I did attempt this with using foamy soap because I was thinking of like a dried up version of the bubbly slime when I was trying to recreate this, but that made it worse. So don't use foaming soap. You don't need that. Now I'm adding some color, and of course I had to choose blue to imitate the iceberg, and blue is also my favorite color. After that, now I'm making the borax solution, which is 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of hot water. And I'm just pouring a little by little until it becomes slime. After the slime has formed, I decided to add some shaving foam on top of the slime because I was thinking if it's gonna dry up on top, maybe it just needs more shaving foam on top as well. So now the hard part is just waiting. You have to let it sit uncovered for 2 days so that the top will dry up, and then you have your iceberg slime.